Hey guys, it's Kris Major here and I'm back with another video. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. My name is Kris Major and I focus on everything beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. And I would love if you would just join my little family. But in today's video, I am going to be talking about jewelry and specifically Italo Jewelry. Okay. This video is not sponsored. They did not send this to me. I spent my own coin. And I'm just coming here to let you know what I picked up and what I love. Okay? This particular company I have seen going around on YouTube and Instagram. And I was like, you know what? Let me see what they're talking about. And let me tell you, it's some real cute things on there. It really is cute and affordable. It's real jewelry. It's real stones. I know they work with white sapphires and sterling silver. And they have some gold plated and rose gold plated, you know, sterling silver pieces. But I like the fact that it's not cubic zirconia. It's real stones. So that is perfect. That's right up my alley. And I mean, it's not breaking the bank, okay? You're still getting that bling bling that, you know, we are really searching for, right? So I picked up two pieces from Italo Jewelry. I first picked up a little simple single band, and then I picked up like a multi-row band. So this is the packaging that it came in, this beautiful, beautiful box with this blue ribbon. Now, what I like about this jewelry company, when I tell you they give you all kind of information, they give you all kind of information. So it comes with all these cards that tell you how the jewelry was packaged, was it sanitized, the temperature of the jewelry when it was produced, like, oh girl, all kind of stuff, like how to wash it, the return policy, which the return policy is 60 days, okay? But you have to make sure you don't take the little ring tag off and all that other kind of stuff. You just have to be mindful of that. But it comes with the cleaning polishing cloth as well. It comes with this little baggie. I guess you can use this to travel with. You know, some people were saying they'll gift it like this, but I can't see somebody giving this as a gift in this little bag. I think that's kind of like stupid. But I digress. I digress. You can do what you want with your little baggie. I'm just saying. And then it comes in this beautiful, beautiful box. Okay? Beautiful. Can y'all see this? Look. This lighting where I'm at in my kitchen, baby, I'm just trying to get in where I fit in, okay? Just saying. But anyway, so I'm first going to show you what I got before this particular purchase right here. So I was like, you know what? I really want to try Italo Jewelry because I'm about to go to Mexico in July and I really wanted a wedding set, you know, to travel with, because I didn't want to bring my actual wedding ring to Mexico because I have a bad habit of taking my ring off and washing my hands and just setting it somewhere. And I did not want to lose or risk, you know, my ring being stolen in Mexico. Like, you know, my husband bought me that ring. I don't want to lose it, right? So I said, you know what? I'm going to get a set from Italo. And I said, wait a minute. Pump your brakes. You don't know these people like that. Try a little small ring first. So I said, you know what? You right, girl. Get you a smaller ring first. So I decided to get a little band to go with my wedding ring. So this is, I don't know if y'all can see it. Excuse the lighting. But this is, you know what? This is the band right here that I got. You know what? I know y'all can't see that. I know y'all can't see that. I'm going to probably do another clip to show you how it looks. But it's a beautiful band. It's like big stones in the middle, okay? And it has like smaller stones on the side. But like I said, I'm going to do like some close-up shots somewhere on the screen. But it goes perfectly with my diamond ring. And I mean, nobody would know that it's not diamonds unless they ask me. And I would just tell them because I'm honest like that. But look how pretty it looks with my wedding ring. Girl, blingy. I love it. I love it. It shines. This lighting is horrible. It's not doing it justice, but trust the plus. It shines, okay? Now, this ring right here, I was like, girl. Oh, I forgot to tell you one more thing. So just for reference, this particular band is in a size 4.5. I have very tiny fingers. This was my first run of buying Italo Jewelry. I really didn't know my size that well, but just so happened I bought the perfect size on the first rip. So I was really happy about that. And then I was like, girl, go ahead and get you a ring for the other hand, right? So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get me a ring for this finger right here. It's just, okay, I'm sorry, y'all. But this finger right here. But I was like, Kris, what size do you need? Do you need a 4.5? It doesn't fit. Do you need a 5? I was like, you know what? Let me get a 5.75 size ring, okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? 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 Okay, I'm doing the most. I'm doing the most. Okay, look at this ring. Look at it. Okay, wait, y'all. I'm sorry. That was part of the little size tag. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness. Now, mind you, it doesn't fit my ring finger on the other hand, but what it does fit is my middle finger. Isn't it gorgeous? It is beautiful, right? I love it. I love it so much. Y'all, let me tell you something. I don't know where I'm going with this, but wherever I'm going, I'm gonna be cute. I'm gonna smell good. My wig gonna be cute too, and I'm gonna be stuck with my little ring. Like, I'm gonna be so cute, right? But anyway, y'all, I promise I'm sober. I have not been drinking. I promise you that I'm sober. It's a little hot, but just don't worry about that. But anyway, this ring is beautiful. This is the, I think it's the ASSCHER cut style ring. I'm gonna link it down below for you as well. It's the ASSCHER cut ring, but it's beautiful. It's 3 multi-row stones. I think it's a perfect piece to make any outfit just stand out. You're more elegant when you wear it. You know, you have a little shine about you. I mean, you're dipping and you're doing it. You're looking good while doing it. I'm just saying. But that is all for the video, because I don't want to hold y'all too long. But if you are interested in Italo Jewelry, I will be linking them down below. Like I said, this is not sponsored. They did not send this to me. I'm just a girl just sharing with you what I've been into. But until next time, I'm so happy you stopped by. Please don't forget to comment, like, and share. And until I see you again, bye.